What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video Packy Kicks. This is Steve and today for you guys I have a sneaker review, and the sneaker that I'm going over for you guys today is going to be the Nike Air Force One Korea. Now before I get into this fire sneaker right here, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're almost there to 100 subscribers, so the faster you guys hit that subscribe button, the closer we get to 100. But with all that being said though, let's get right into this review. So with this Nike Air Force One Korea right here, just get into a box real quick. The Nike Air Force One Korea comes in a simple Nike Air Force One box. Nothing crazy, you've seen this box a million times. And the sizing code reads black, multicolor. And I got size 10.5 in Air Forces. And there's basically the sticker right there. But getting into the actual shoes itself right here though, this is probably one of my more favorite Air Force Ones to release this year. I think the concept of it and everything of like they've done with the execution wise of this Air Force is really dope in my opinion. It's just really unique, something you've never seen honestly from like an Air Force or anything like that before, so I think it just stands out. Also I like the all white Air Force a lot as well, but it gets a little boring and tiring to see that same shoe on everybody's feet, so having this colorway on this model right here I think makes it stand out a lot more. And also one of the more noticeable things about this sneaker right here is that the one side, which is the left shoe right here, is pink, while the other shoe right here is blue. Basically, to the concept of the sneaker, or the main inspiration of the shoe is inspired by the 2020 soccer kits of South Korea, which is why this shoe is called the Nike Air Force One Korea. And like I said before, I think the execution they did on the sneaker is really great in my opinion. And like I said before, following the soccer kits, they consist of white, pink, and this light blue. So that's why we have one side of the shoe being pink while the other side of the shoe being blue. Getting into specific details on the shoe, so the main shoe upper of the Air Force One is of this nice white leather. The retail on this Air Force One was $130, which is a little bit higher compared to the usual $90 retailer, and that's because it's more of a premium Air Force One, or a much more premium collaboration, I guess you could say. And the leather on the shoe is very nice, very soft to the touch, I think. So honestly, it's a very nice material. I think I like a lot, and it's better than the normal Air Force One quality. The biggest and notable standout for the shoe is the white tiger little swoosh right here, and that's because, like I said before, the Korea, their logo consists of a white tiger, and their logo also is on the tongue of the shoe right here as well. You see it has the white tiger South Korea logo, as well as it says Air Force One on the bottom, so that's why it's the inspiration for the swoosh being here. And as you can see on the other side as well, we have the same tiger swoosh again, and this tiger print is on all the sneakers that are part of the Korea collection for this year. Like I said before, the Korea collection consists of the Presto, the Air Max 95, and now we have this Air Force right here along with the soccer kits as well. So that's why we have the white tiger showing up here as well. On the heel of the shoe, we have the Korea flag right there, another dope touch indicating that this is Korea Air Force One. And then, like I showed you guys again before, on the tongue you have the tiger logo which is South Korea's soccer logo. So again, very nice touch. And another big noticeable difference is that this side of the shoe is pink, while the other shoe behind me is blue. So for this shoe, you're obviously going to see a pink outline for the Nike swoosh, pink translucent Air Force One bottom right here, and then we have pink flat laces with like a little bit of like this grayish or white print on it. So really dope in my opinion. I just really like this shoe a lot. This is a basic, not too much to go over for the shoe because it's just an Air Force One. It's a model we've seen countless amount of times, so anytime you do like an interesting touch on this sneaker, it's very nice to see and just very nice to look at and just wear. So also against the inside of the shoe here, the insole, we have a black sock liner, but on the inside where the insole is, we have that pink light bluish print with Nike Air in black, if you guys can see in there. That's another very nice touch in my opinion, again indicating of it being a Air Force, a Korea Air Force One collab. So I really like that a lot. The shoe did also come with a second pair of laces. This is basically like a lighter blue, I think, lace, and the the lace slits, or where are the end of the lace tips right here. One is in the pink color, one's in the light blue color. Personally, for me, these laces are cool, but I'll just stick with the lace that's already on the shoes. In my opinion, I just think I like these a lot more. For sizing on this sneaker, I would definitely go a half size down. I do think Air Forces run big, so definitely go a half size down from your true size on this. So for me, for example, I wear a size 11 and Air Force I wear a size 10 and a half. That's just a fit I personally like more, and that's the one I usually go with. But that's basically the review I have for you guys today on this Air Force 1 Korea. Let me know what you guys do think of this shoe. Do you guys think it's a really nice shoe, or do you guys not really like it that much? Let me know what you guys' favorite Air Forces are. Do you guys usually stick with the all white ones, or do you guys go with other specific colorways? Let me know in the comments below. Also, again, please make sure to like this video, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate the support again from you guys. We're about 22 subscribers away from 100. The faster you guys click that subscribe button for me, the faster we get to 100 subscribers. Also, again, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. This is on the bottom left corner of this video. And I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Peace.
Count your blessings, count your steps. At your throne like we that strap. It's way too cold under this flesh. All we ball, but we don't mesh. All we drink, leave us a mess. Down all my drawers, that is old news.
Forgotten.
Overtime and overdue. Ain't no sleep, that is old news. Been outside, that's with the crew. Make my night up on the move. In the morning, get the news. She come home, I heard the Zoom. I step outside, I need my peace. Take one down and hit my peak. Feel I overuse myself, I overuse myself. I feel I overdid myself, I overdid myself. I feel I overuse my nights, I overdid my nights, I overdid my nights. Hit the lights and hit the right. Took everything, ain't nothing left. Count your blessings, count your steps. At your throat like we that strap. It's way too cold under this flesh. All we ball, but we don't mesh. All we drink, leave us a mess. Down all my drawers, that is old news. I'm with a hero, been with nudie. Them the ones you see, man, when they all leave. The Glock on tiptoe, then we with Chevy. They already know it's not too many. About to click though, shit been busy. Chasing up the paper, come and get me. Like I'm sick though, sipping plenty. We been outside, going in. Hit the lights and hit the right. Took everything, ain't nothing left. Count your blessings, count your steps. At your throat like we that strap. It's way too cold under this flesh. All we ball, but we don't mesh. All we drink, leave us a mess. Down all my drawers, that is old news.